Welcome to Mirror True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you as you do so. My lovely fans, the worst thing that can ever happen to any man is to live a peaceful home, a happy home, a very good religious home, to go and follow a woman that you don't even know where she belongs to. Remember, Juju Ekwensu came with the face of a Christian. For those of you that did not follow this story from the starting, when Yo and Juju Ekwensu start to dey post video for this social media, Juju Ekwensu they always they do morning devotion with Yo. They go dey sing in the morning, early in the morning, I will rise and praise my God. Now wetin we dey see them they do. Yo go even they tell us say start your day with prayers. You see the way she take on. She came in a sheep form. How they speak the English? A wolf wearing a sheep cloth. Now so Juju Ekwensu take enter into Yo. Before we know wetin dey happen, she don't remove that sheep cloth. She can't bring a wolf face. My people, without wasting your time, Yo now only God go save this man. You see this Juju Ekwensu family, they are still yet to be identified to where they truly belong to. We are still yet to identify where these people truly belong to. Hey, my lovely fans, Juju Ekwensu and her daughter, they are traveling to Umoji. They say Juju Ekwensu and her daughter are traveling to Umoji. The reason we make una dey hear this story, now because say kasala they won't come outside. Now because of the kasala we dey inside, now it make this thing exposed. If not, we for no even know say such a thing is happening behind closed door. Juju Ekwensu daughter when he born for Yo, when they call Universal Thunder. That child, before he go complete 1 year, they need to take that child to the river. They need to take the child to the river because that is the agreement when they do. Anytime when the pikin won't do birthday, before he go complete a year, before he go complete 2 years, they need to carry the child to the river. And when they won't carry that child go river, Yo need to be there. Yo need to be there to follow them go, carry this pikin go river. So, according to the information, the time don't reach when they want to go. Juju Ekwensu don dey call Yo, may Yo come, may they go do the needful. Now Yo come tell Juju Ekwensu say, he dey busy now, make only Juju Ekwensu dey go. Now Juju Ekwensu say, e no fit possible, make only she dey go. Yo need to be there. Now Yo come tell her say, is it not to just go to the river and do prayers? You need just to go to the river and do prayers now. Which one una come dey find now? Yo come tell Juju Ekwensu say, must he be there? Even if he not there, at least just carry that child there, do the necessary things, and bring her back home. Must he be there? Juju Ekwensu tell Yo say, if her daughter kpai, if anything happen to her daughter, she will never forgive Yo. Now there Yo come shock say, what is happening? Which one be kpai? Wetin him just talk when it results to person go kpai? Who dey kpai? Who won't kpai? Nobody dey kpai, abeg. Which one be kpai? Just take that child una say una won't carry and go river. Now Juju Ekwensu tell Yo say, do you think this is a joking matter? Or do you think she's playing? She will tell you since how many months they go say, this day like this, we need to be in Umoji. What kind of movie will you do? If anything happened to her daughter, she repeats. If anything happened to her daughter, she go finish all your own. Now they say, he say he go finish all you. You lie. The ones where you born for you now you go face. You can never stretch your finger to me Edochie children. Lie. Now 2 of una they live una life now. Me Edochie children no dey una midst. If you stretch your finger, you will stretch your finger to your own. And not that of me Edochie. Now your friend, one man will be director for the call, he ask you say, wetin dey happen? Now you can dey explain, give the man. Say, see wetin dey happen. Wonder shall never end, my people. According to wetin you dey talk, you say he don't just want to go there. Say the things wey they tell him, he don't tire. He don't tire for juju Ekwensu and the juju wey they serve. It was right from time he was not a juju server. Like this whole juju thing, he don't tire. Now the manager, the director for film, come ask you say, wetin dey happen? You say, can you imagine? This pikin wey juju Ekwensu born so. He said they say before the pikin they do any birthday, they need to bring the pikin back to the river. They will carry the child and give back to the river. Neither you friend can say, which kind talk be that? Now you go they tell and say, now waiting Juju Ekwensu and his sister tell him. But Juju Ekwensu daughter don't already tell him waiting they won't go do for them. Which he no go agree. According to waiting Juju Ekwensu daughter tell you, he tell you say this mission make you not go. Say once you start to dey go, that is how you will continue to dey go. Anytime when you do anything against the wish of that river, say they will come for you. Say make you let only Juju Ekwensu go. Say only Juju Ekwensu go fit do the thing without you. If she reach there, she will offer sacrifice on your behalf. That means you and them will not have connection. Juju Ekwensu daughter can't tell you say me you not go. Say if he go, say he go ever regret am for his life. Say wetin they go collect from her. Say you not go believe. Yeah, my people, things they happen. So according to wetin Juju Ekwensu pikin tell you say Juju Ekwensu pikin tell am say, this pikin they won't carry and go river. Return the pikin back to the river. The river will now do what they have to do. He said they'll carry the pikin go river. Then go sleep river. They will sleep the river till daybreak. Because when they will drop the pikin for the river, then the river will carry the pikin. The next day in the night, now the river will give them pikin. And that night when they go the river, once it is 7 o'clock in the evening, they no go open eye to look that river. They go turn their back against the river. No matter the noise or anything where they go hear for that river, they no go turn their back. They might even hear them calling their names. They no go answer. If they answer, now be say that person now go, now you see. Wonder shall never end, my people. Anybody way, if they answer, now be say that river, that person no go see head, say go back. According to Juju Ekwensu pikin, he can't tell you say, he said they no go answer. He said they go throw that child for river. He said the mother of that river will collect that child because that child belongs to them. Spiritually, that child is their own. Physically, they give that child to Juju Ekwensu because the child have a mission. That's why she's here. He said Juju Ekwensu's daughter already have a mission. That's why she's here. He said so after that night, the pikin they'll do what they won't do. Then they will now release the child back to Juju Ekwensu. He say no fit tell you the thing will go take place. Say that one are their personal secret. He say but things go on that night when they go collect that pikin. What happen that night when they go collect the pikin? He said then the day when they won't go call, he said the thing will make the Juju Ekwensu they find you. He said now make you go kneel down before Juju Ekwensu spiritual husband. He said that day when Juju Ekwensu they carry the pikin, so they go there. He said Juju Ekwensu spiritual husband go appear. He said so that you way go carry go, you go kneel down, go bow down before Juju Ekwensu spiritual husband. He said once you bow down for Juju Ekwensu spiritual husband, anytime when you cheat or do Juju Ekwensu any evil, the spiritual husband will strike you. He say you can't even be like person wey get spiritual husband, because spiritual husband don already be problem of his own. He said, but if you go to that river to bow down for that Juju Ekwensu spiritual husband, he said that will be his end. He said, may you not go. So according to the Juju Ekwensu daughter, he tell you say say mama go fit do everything without you. He go call you name, go mention you name as the father of the child, because they are going to ask her the name, the full name of the father of the child. He said they are going to ask her there. He said so Juju Ekwensu can do everything without you. He said the reason why he make him mama the same way you follow and for you to go bow down before his spiritual husband. Then the spiritual husband will now have authority over you. He will take authority over you. Wonder shall never end, my people. So you say he not they go. Because Juju Ekwensu daughter tell her say make he not go. He say he not they go. Juju Ekwensu nana in the tell you say make they go. In the force you say if anything happen to the pikin, in go you. It's for them to just take this child to the river to pray. If to say you dey with the right senses, you no go ask Juju Ekwensu say wetin that they carry pikin go do for inside river. Kind of prayer that they go pray with small pikin for inside river. If to say they with the right senses, but because say he brain, they don't use am take say they don't use his brain to change to chair for their meeting. He cannot even ask such a question at all. He cannot even ask. Now Juju Ekwensu daughter come dey tell am say see wetin go happen for there o. No try yourself, don't just go. Avoid them. You will thank me later. Avoid them. No matter how Juju Ekwensu threaten you reach, ignore am. She just wants you. She just wants you to be there. She just wants you to be there in that river, so that you will bow before her spiritual husband. They want to take full control over you. Hey, my people, you say if they like me, they call anything. You know they go anywhere. Imagine a little child, now they won't go through it for inside river. See the kind human being where you involve yourself with. They say time don't reach. That's what they go to do. Before the pikin do birthday, every time they'll go they throw away the pikin for inside river. Not be say they'll just carry the pikin, go river, go pray. They'll throw away the pikin for river. Then they go carry the pikin. Then the next day, that's the time in the morning, that's the time the next day, now they'll still release the pikin. Now, a child that was thrown inside the river, you don't even know where he go, who carry him. Then the next day, they return such a child. If human being will deal with in normal sense, that kind of pikin, you not go near her. You not go near her, you will borrow leg wrong. But for them, it's normal thing. They don't see her like anything. But you now, Oga wey say stubborn man don't they fear. Stubborn man don't they fear. I thought you are very stubborn. You can challenge Juju Ekwensu's spiritual husband. Go and challenge the spiritual husband now. Stubborn man. Nobody tell me what to do. I tell you, say they will control you, not tell you what to do. They will control you. You get like say Juju Mr. Obasi Piki can't tell you. By this time now, you for don't change to gas cooker where they say they cook for them. Now so they for reduce you to. One dash shall never end, my lovely fans. Yay! Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.